Next, we'll talk about what? Next, we'll talk about index location, which is known as iloc. This lock in LOC, basically lock in the function represents what? Location. And iloc represents what? Dot iloc? Index location. df.iloc. Now, in this, what we need to do is that we don't need to name the rows. So this is we can use when we want to access a particular row. Alright, so this is what we do. Alright, so we want to access, let's say, 0th. Let me just print the df freshly over here. Alright, so let us say we want to access 0th row. Alright, we want to access the 0th row. So it will do what? It will basically access the 0 point, minus 0.3, minus 0.94, 1.47 minus. So like this. Alright, so this is how we can access. We can also write one row, or first row will get access. So similarly, we can do what? We can access a row in data frame using .iloc. Alright, so df.iloc. Simple. Just write the double square brackets. Write 0. So 0th row has been accessed. So write .t. Alright, so df.iloc. So this is how we access a row in a data frame using .iloc. Let us say we want to access a data frame. We want to access a row, access multiple rows in a data frame. Alright, in a data frame. Alright, so of course multiple rows will be accessed in a data frame. So what we can do is that we can apply df.iloc 0, comma, alright, 0 and comma 1. So it will give me what? It will give me 0th row and first row. Right, apply dot t. So it will give me what? It will give me. Alright, so this is what it is. Alright, so this is what it is. Please listen very carefully. You guys remember slicing and dicing in list? What about others?
Sir.
Yes, Utkarsh.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
great. That's great. Great. So df.iloc. Alright. So 0 colon 2. Alright, just a second. Just a second. There will be one square bracket. Alright. Yeah, one square bracket, not double square. So if we want to do slicing and dicing of slicing and dicing of rows, we can also do slicing and dicing of rows. But yeah, in slicing and dicing of rows, there should be what? There should be only one square bracket, not double square bracket. It will automatically give us what? It will automatically give us the data frame result. Alright. Let's say we want to access 0th row and second row. So this is how we can access it. Alright. So this is what, let's say we want to access 0th row, second row and fourth row. 0th row, second row and the fourth row. So this is how we can access. Let us say we want to access the entire data set. So this is what it is. This is how we'll access the entire data. Getting my point? So this is with this also we can access the entire data set. Alright. So this is what it is. Any doubts anyone has? In this we can also do slicing and dicing of rows using .iloc. Alright, so this is what it is. Any doubts? Any doubts? Till now, any doubts accessing of data? This is how we access data be it columns, be it rows, but columns will be more preferable. Alright, until unless a problem statement say, let's suppose say a problem statement says extract only column rows 10 to 20, then you will apply what? Then you will apply slicing and dicing. That is start from 10 colon 21, that's it, and it will extract from 10 to 20. So that is how we apply the that is how we apply the what that is how we basically apply slicing and dicing to access the rows using .iloc function. Alright, and next we'll do what? Next we'll basically look at what? Next we'll basically look at the reading up of data. Alright, we'll look at reading up of data. How do we read the data set, a data set? Alright, so this is what it is. Let us do what? Let us take a particular file. Alright. Alright, let us take a particular file. So this is weather.csv. Alright. This is what? Is it visible weather.csv?
Yes.
Alright, so this is weather.csv. So CSV is what? CSV is your comma separated values. CSV is your comma separated values. Alright, so let me share my entire screen. So I'll do what? I'll basically delete this file.
Sir, screen is not visible.
Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is.
Alright, so I'm doing what? I'm deleting this file. Which file? Weather.csv. So I just clicked on the checkbox and I'll do what? I'll basically delete this file. Alright, so I have deleted this particular file. It has been deleted. Alright. Next I'll do what? Next I'll basically browse through my file. Alright, where is the file? Alright. Where is the file? Here it is. Alright, this is my file, weather.csv. Alright. So how will I upload the file if it is in my system? So I'll do what? I'll click on upload. Alright, let me share this file in your chat so that you all can also download. Alright. So let us do what? Let us upload the file. So we'll just please pay attention. We'll click on upload just like we upload any file. Go navigate your way out and basically click on weather.csv and click on upload. So another upload, blue color upload option will appear. Click on upload once more. And as you can see, weather.csv is back. Weather.csv is back. Everyone please upload the file in your Jupyter notebooks and tell me if any problem persists or not.